Hi, I'm Chris V, and I'm so happy to welcome you into my studio once again. This time I'm teaching an all-new concept, abstract watercolor painting with focus on beautiful textured backgrounds. This process is meant to be a no-pressure, non-accuracy technique that will allow you to completely relax and let the paint flow. It's often when you're not striving for perfection that you can let go and find your unique style, favorite colors, and preferred techniques. I'll paint 3 different backgrounds in 3 different ways, but there is so much more you can do with this project. I'll show you what tools and materials I'm using in this class, my favorite techniques, and some fun extras. But I encourage you to use whatever you have with you right now. This method is perfect for creating backgrounds for social media posts, covers, greeting cards, or simply for stress management. My hope is that you will just have fun and let your creativity come out in any way it wants to. So grab your art stash and meet me in the next video to get started. Abstract watercolor painting backgrounds. See you there!